All right, now everyone has broken the ice in the room. Everyone in the group has introduced themselves. And now the spotlight is on you. It's your turn to introduce yourself in English. And here your mind goes totally blank. I mean, come on, it's just a simple introduction, and yet you can't get a single word out. And even if somehow you manage to give your introduction, what all you will mention? Tell me. It's probably your name, your hometown, your degree. That's it. I mean, is it enough about you? That's your whole story? Actually, there is so much more to you. Here, you are not revealing anything about your story, your personality, your journey. Where is that I mean? A couple of dry sentences, and you expect someone to remember you in their whole life? I mean, how? How is it possible? If you really want to stand out from the crowd, you have to say something that leaves a mark. Here you might ask that why? Why my introduction should be very impressive? It's just about a few words, right? It's just about a few words, but it says a lot about you. People don't just listen to you, they feel your energy. Right now I'm speaking to you, and why you are watching till now? Because you're feeling that energy. Okay, it's not just about giving information on YouTube. So many YouTubers are there, they are sharing knowledge, but why people prefer to watch them, to listen them? Because they feel their energy. It's not just about knowledge, confidence. It's about how you mention your point. So same happens when you introduce yourself. If you are successful in giving your introduction, congrats, they will give attention to you. I mean, your introduction, that's your perfect chance to show who you are. So why not to make it a count? We don't realize it, but we get the chance to introduce ourselves all the time. In school, in college, in meetings, while talking to any stranger, while talking in a group, each time it's not just about saying your name. Okay, so now here we have understood that why your introduction is imperative. So now let's talk about how you can make your introduction authentic. And I will give you an example, but before that, you just keep one thing in your mind, that you are not just introducing yourself to give information about you to that person. No, you are giving introduction to connect with people, to truly connect with people. Okay, so here don't sound like a robot. So now let's see my introduction. Hi, my name is Mamta. I am currently pursuing BCA, as I have always been deeply curious about how websites and applications are built, not in just theory, but how they actually work in the real world. I have completed my schooling from ABC school in XYZ state. I am someone who also loves connecting with new people and learning from their experiences. So, if you ever see me chatting with strangers, don't judge me. I'm just collecting stories, ideas, and perspectives. Wow, that was wonderful. Now, did I speak here rocket science English? Did I speak advanced vocabularies? No, but it was simple and authentic. Now, this introduction I have given based on a student introduction. Now, for the person who is working in the corporate sector, so for them introduction can be a little different. So while we are at it, let's check that too. Hi, I'm Mamta Prajapati. I'm a pragmatic and poised person. I work as a marketing executive at ABC Private Limited, where I focus on brand communication and digital companions. I have been doing this past 3 years now. I have gained hands-on experience in consumer insights and content strategy. I am always curious to explore what's new in the market, and when I am not working, I enjoy sketching and reading fiction books. See, that's it. That introduction is enough to leave a mark on people who are listening to you. Okay, and one more thing you should take care, whenever you are giving your introduction, Your hands gestures should be very simple, not too much. Okay, so now the next time you get the chance to introduce yourself, don't hold back. It's not just about saying your name, it's about sharing a piece of who you are.